everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headlines first. Controversy over Almaty Dam in Karnataka, Maharashtra. Investigation done in two planes that reached Italy. More than 50% passengers were found infected. Chances of rain and snowfall today. Orange alert for cold wave and dense fog in Haridwar and Udham Singh Nagar. Vijay and Sanjeev will participate in the national shooting selection trial. Will get Olympic quota. Now news in detail. After the border dispute between the Maharashtra and Karnataka, now the Almaty Dam is becoming a new bone of contention. Maharashtra Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis has said that he will ask Karnataka to stop the work of increasing the height of this dam till the flood study is completed. If the Karnataka government does not agree, then the Maharashtra government will go to the Supreme Court. Sangli and the Kolhapur district of Maharashtra are at risk of flood due to the rising of the height of Almaty Dam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mother Hirabai is still hospitalized. The team of doctors is continuously monitoring. At present, his condition is stable. Meanwhile, the latest information about the Hirabai's health has been given by the younger son Prahlad Modi. After the health of PM Modi's mother deteriorated, political reaction have also started coming to the fore. Samajwadi Party's strong leader and the MP Dr. S.T. Hassan said that Narendra Modi's mother is also the mother of the whole country. He also prayed for the long life of PM Modi's mother. A bus carrying 50 passengers went uncontrolled and overturned in a ravine late Wednesday night in the Thana Rishwa area of the Sitapur district. The pit was full of water. About 20 people were injured in the accident, about of which 6 people have been referred to the district hospital. The people of the Bhitakla village of the Tabor were going to the Chhattisgarh in a private bus due wages. Late on Wednesday night, the private bus reached the Khuravalia of the Thana Rishwa van in order to avoid a vehicle coming from the front. The bus uncontrolled and fell into the ravine while crossing the culvert. Now some international news. There was a stir after half the passenger of a flight from China to Italy were found to be corona infected. Due to this, the risk of the spreading corona from China to other countries has increased further. For this reason, 7 countries including India and America have made it mandatory for passengers coming from China to present COVID negative report before boarding the plane. Passengers have been found corona positive in 2 flights going from China to Milan. Out of 92 passengers of one flight, 35 example 38%, and out of 120 passengers of other 62 example 52% passengers have been found to be COVID positive. At least 10 people have died in a fire at a hotel in the Phuket, Cambodia. At the same time, more than 30 people have been evacuated in the injured condition. It has been told that the fire in the hotel is so severe that more than 50 people are still trapped and efforts are on to rescue them. The incident took place at Grand Diamond City Hotel in the Phuket. Here, the entire hotel is surrounded by the fire for the last several hours. Many people were also seen jumping from windows to save their life. Some pictures and videos related to this are going viral on social media. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. There is a possibility of rain and snowfall in the hilly areas of 5 districts of Uttarakhand during the next 48 hours. Due to this, there will be rapid fall in the temperature and cold is expected to increase in the state. There is a possibility of cold wave and dense fog in the plain district of Udham Singh Nagar, Haridwar. The meteorological department has issued an orange alert in view of the cold wave. On the other hand, there was no darshan of the Surya Dev in many areas of state, including the capital Dehradun, since Thursday morning. The Union Energy Minister announced the opening of an international level kayaking and canoeing training center near Tiri Lake. He talked about increasing the travel time from the Tiri Dam top by 1 hour, said that THDC would adopt kayaking and the canoeing sports. Along with this, the Ministry of Energy will provide all possible help to Uttarakhand. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami said that Tiri Lake is becoming a new adventure destination. The tunnel survey is being done from the Dehradun to Tiri. Now, entertainment news. Hollywood movie Avatar 2 is currently ruling the box office. However, after performing well in the first weekend, James Cameron director is witnessing a steady decline in its collection. The earning of Avatar 2, which earned up to rupees 46 crore in a day in the opening week, has now been reduced to single digit. As per the initial figure, the film has done a business of rupees 9.65 crore on its second Wednesday, example 13th day. With this, James Cameron's film has collected a total of rupees 284.60 crore in 13 days. Now, sports news. Olympic medalist Vijay Kumar, veteran rifle shooter Sanjeev Rajput, and young Olympic Divyansh Pawar are among the list of shooters who will be participating in the national selection trial 1 and 2 to be held at the Dr. Karni Singh range from January 8 to 14 next year. Will take this trial for Group A shooter are very important as their performance will determine the national team selection for major international competition, including the Asian Games. The National Rifle Association of India has divided shooter into two categories for 2023. Group A consists of top level shooter, while Group B consists of shooter who are eligible for open selection trials. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.